Okay. Okay, students, this is the last lecture for linear equation in two variables. Now, today we'll be learning equation of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now, first of all, we must know two things. First is, see, we have two axes. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, right? Now, a line parallel to x-axis and line parallel to y-axis. But before that, what about x-axis and y-axis? What is the equation for y-axis and what is the equation for x-axis? Okay, equation for x-axis. X-axis. Okay, what will be the equation for x-axis? This is your x-axis. The equation for x-axis is y is equal to 0. Okay. See, when you talk about the x-axis, it means y is equal to 0. Similarly, equation for y-axis, right? Equation for y-axis. Equation for y-axis is x is equal to 0. Okay? So, it's like this. For x-axis, what is the equation? Y is equal to 0. And this is your y-axis. Equation here is x is equal to 0, right? Now, third part. If I have a line which is passing through the center, okay, this is your center 0. If I have a straight line passing through the center, equation of a line passing through the center, line passing through origin or center, through origin, that is 0 0. Okay, through this point is y is equal to mx. इस फॉर्म का इक्वेशन होगा y is equal to mx. फॉर एग्जाम्पल y is equal to 2x अगर है, इसका मतलब ये वाली जो लाइन है ये सेंटर से पास होगी, तो हमेशा y is equal to mx. इस टाइप का इक्वेशन अगर है तो इसका मतलब वो लाइन सेंटर से पास हो रही है, उसका एक पॉइंट 0 0 है. ओके, इस तरह से. नाउ विल मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट पार्ट, that is line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. You are clear with these 3 points? Now, see, these points are important for your MCQs also in Olympiads, right? Now, with these doubts clear, we'll go to the next part, that is equation of line parallel to x-axis. Now, if I have a point on the x-axis, any point, suppose I have a point here, okay, it is lying on the x-axis. Okay, now I represent this as, how I represent this point? Y coordinate will be 0, so I'll represent this as 2, 0, right? So this is a point on x-axis. Now if I have a point on y-axis, it will be like this. So any point which is lying on this x-axis, okay, or if it is, I'll just write it down, point on x-axis, okay, it will be of form, is of form, किस फॉर्म का होगा ये? हमेशा y वाला कोऑर्डिनेट 0 होगा, ठीक है, पॉइंट ऑन द x एक्सिस और विच इज पैरेलल टू द y एक्सिस. इट विल हैव द फॉर्म x, 0, ठीक है, इस तरह से आएगा. अगर ये पॉइंट है 3 है या 4 है तो कैसा आएगा ये पॉइंट? 4, 0, राइट, ये वाला पॉइंट ऑन द x एक्सिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म x, 0, ठीक है. Example is 2 0, or you can have 4 0. It can be on this side also. Then it will be -1, 0, right? -1, 0. So it is of the form x coordinate, 0, right? Similarly, if you have a point on the y-axis, suppose this is your point, then how I'll represent this point? its x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is 2. Okay, so I'll represent it as, see, point on y axis. Okay, I'll explain this with graph paper also, but first we'll understand the concept. Point on y axis is of form y comma 0, right? Example is, 0 comma y, right? X coordinate is 0 and this is y. So it's of the form 0 comma 5 or 0 comma minus 1, right? 0 comma y and x comma 0. This is the representation of point which is on the x axis and point on the y axis. Now let's move forward. We'll come to a line which is parallel to x axis. Okay, let's see an example. Suppose x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to draw this line on graph paper. So this line, if I want to represent this line, how I'll be writing this as, it's nothing but x plus 0 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. I can write it like this. Okay, now I'll have to draw this on the graph paper, right? Let's draw it on the graph paper. Okay, now x minus 2 is equal to 0 means my x is equal to 2, isn't it? X minus 2 is equal to 0. What does this mean? It means that x is equal to 2, right? X is equal to 2. So I have to draw a line x is equal to 2. Okay? So this line will have y coordinate as 0. So how I will be drawing it? I'll just show you. I have already drawn the x axis and y axis. Now x is equal to 2 is the point. So this is my x is equal to 2. So I will draw a line parallel to the y axis like this with scale. Overall it will be parallel, right? So on any point on this line, my value of x will be 2, right? And my y coordinate will be obviously 0, right? So this is nothing but my line x is equal to 2. Similarly, suppose I have some other line. Okay, this is my x is equal to 2. This means this is my line x minus 2 is equal to 0. Right. Now, this is my line, fine. I'll give some name with some endpoints, line AB. Okay. So, equation of line AB is x is equal to 2. Now, suppose I have another line, say x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. It means x is equal to 4. So this is a line which is parallel to y axis and at which point? At this point. Okay, x is equal to 4. So it will be like this over here. So this is the line. X minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, that is x is equal to 4. Correct? So you can have negative value also. Now this is done for our line which is parallel to y axis. Now we'll see few points. So what have we learned now? X is equal to a. Okay, if it is something like this, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 4, like this. Okay, so what is x is equal to a? It is a straight line parallel to y-axis, right? We have drawn this line, right? If the line is of the form x is equal to a, means suppose x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2, such type of line. X is equal to a is a straight line which is parallel to x-axis. Similarly, y is equal to a. This is a straight line. Y is equal to a is a straight line parallel to which axis? Y is equal to a. Means it is a straight line parallel to x-axis. So it will be like this. Y is equal to a is a straight line parallel to x-axis. So it will be like this. This is my x-axis, right? This is my y-axis. So this is y is equal to a. Is circle line only, depending upon the value of a, right? So we are done for this chapter of linear equation in two variables.